I'm Joan Biddle, and I write poetry and fiction. And when Kara first said the theme of this reading was Memphis, I first thought, oh, I don't have anything that's specifically about Memphis. But then I realized, of course I do. Everything I write is probably somewhat informed by Memphis. And I thought of a poem that I had written about the sound of the train, because we live very close. We live about one house away from the train tracks. And no matter where you live in Memphis, you can always hear the train now. So there's just something about being so close to that sound, kind of the grit and the history of living in a town where the train is right there, and also the sense of possible escape that comes with hearing the train. Train horn. Some evenings it limps, maybe broken, sounding like a crying or a sweetly dying donkey behind a barn. Some evenings it's an orchestra warming up, uneven presses, exhalations. Some evenings the harmonies are off, only slightly, enough to prick the ear. Then it's loud, relentless, giving nothing of grace. Then distant again, a sound my father heard, and his father.